Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and log in to the MobiKwik app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the playstore app. After the home page of the playstore app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it and search for the MobiKwik app. After the MobiKwik app appears on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see this install button. Go ahead and click on it. After the MobiKwik app is completely downloaded and installed onto your device, an open button will appear on your screen. Go ahead and open it up. As you can see on my screen, the MobiKwik app has been completely downloaded and installed and ready to use. Now to log into the MobiKwik app, click on this enter mobile number on the bottom of your screen. Once you click on the enter mobile number, you'll be guided to another page. Now you'll have to fill in your correct mobile number which is registered into the MobiKwik app here and click on this Get OTP option. Once you click on the Get OTP option, if you have filled in your mobile phone number correctly, you will receive an OTP code from the MobiKwik app. Now on the next page, you'll have to fill in that code and click on the Verify option. Once you click on the Verify option and if you have filled in your OTP code correctly, you'll be automatically logged into the MobiKwik app. I hope this video helped you to log into the MobiKwik app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.